Today I'm going to show you Wednesday tutorial, which is on stream. It is on trend, and this dance is by John Ortega, and you could watch it on anywhere. The original is Wednesday series, and let's start. So, first of all, let's go from the experience and emotions. And so it will be like you are upset, like an emo girl, like this. And then you have to be like here or there. So when I'm coming from here, from the camera to side, so you have to be like this. And then your shoulders should be like this, one time, like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 times each. And then you have to sway to the right and then sway to the left, like this, and like this. But if you don't understand, I'm gonna show you from the back. That should be like this, and then this, like that. It should be, and then it's like 4 times. But after 2 times swaying, you have to tilt your head like right side or left side, like this, and then you have to sway again, like this. Let me show you. And then you have to do like this, and then you have to do this, I think 2 times, like this, 1, 2, and then you have to forward your head up to the right, like this, and then you have to do more 2 times, like this, and then you have to do like this, and this, and this is like, you have to take this. This is your right, this is your left. So you have to do like this, and then now this. So it should be like this. Like this. But if you don't understand this or this, it should be like this. Come do like this, and then slowly you have to do like this, and this, but not like this, and then like this. And after that, you have to do like this, like Elsa, like this, do like this, and then do like this. And then you have to, your waist should twirl like this. And then you have to not do like that, of course. Then do like this. And when you're doing it, your wrist should twirl too as the waist is doing it together, like this. And now let us see all of them mashed up. You have to do like this. And then when the song ends, you have to do like this. You have to grip the whole hand like this. Like it's your wish. If you don't, so just do like this. But if you want, so you have to do like this. And if you really want to be truly like Wednesday, when you are doing this, your eyeball pupil should be at the right point of the ceiling, like this, like this. How is in the Wednesday series. So this was the Wednesday tutorial, and bye-bye. See you soon in next stream's dance, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.